Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with one more tutorial by which you will be able to make your own NFTs with your pictures, with your own pictures, with your pictures of your pets if you have, or pictures of your home, anything, any picture you have if you want to convert that into NFT. So how you can do that? So any picture you found, like be it in your phone on Google or anywhere, this just like it can be posted on OpenSea or Rarible, where you can convert that into NFTs. But we can add a few effects or something that can make it more beautiful, more attractive, by which you can attract more buyers to buy it again and again, and you can enjoy that royalties, of course. So how you can do that? Let's jump into the video and let's get started. All right. So guys, here you can see the very first website which is coming, that Be Funky. All right. So this is the website we will be using on OpenSea. All right. So this is the website. You must be aware of it. So what I am going to do is I will be searching a few images on the internet. Let's see what we can get. Because I am more like, I am liking dark characters like zombies or something. So I make my creative around that. So most of my collectibles, if you want to see, are around that only. This would be 0. If I can show you, let's see if that opens. So you can see cute zombies, kings. So I am someone who is more around these kind of characters and these pandits, laughing pandits. So if you want, I will share the link. You can go through and you can enjoy. Alright, today we are going to learn how you can make it. Alright, so here what we can do, we can search a few images like man walking or dead man walking. Okay, so oh, this is a movie. I didn't know that. Oh man. Alright, so like we can see there are multiple images. You cannot directly post it because of course you might face copyright issue or something. So let's try something with different keywords. Maybe ghost walking. I think this is looking horrible. So what else you can do? Let's try simply man or model. So yeah, I think this one is pretty much sorted. So let's save it on my desktop or wherever you want to. You can save it and then go for the website which is called Be Funky. Alright, so here you can simply, it's asking for upgrade now, and of course you might have to pay a small amount out of it, right? So then only you will be able to use it. But how you cannot pay and still you can use, this is what I am going to tell you. You can see the amount that this is very nominal amount. All right, $4.99 and then $9.99. This whatever, if that suits you, go ahead, upgrade it and enjoy the benefits. However, we are going to start new. So you will have to create an account. Just you have to choose your Gmail account and then you will be able to just plug and play. You don't have to give all your details like name, location, mobile number, nothing. Just you can simply sign up with your email ID and that's it. Alright, so what we are going to do is it is just asking please open a photo or object to get started. Alright, so we can do is we can click on open an image. We will go to desktop and we will have to locate that image. I guess this is the image. Alright, and then go to this artsy. Alright, I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. So just zoom. You can see the image is getting blurry because I haven't chosen the high-res image, but still we will apply all the arts that will make it more So what you can see, once you go to this artsy, you will see these many effect that you can apply, and if you click on any one of them, you will see there are multiple effect inside that effect that you can apply, right? So you can see that effect is being applied. Maybe my internet is slow, so you can see this is applied, and this is not anymore that blurry or ugly looking image. This is looking way better than what it was. Alright, so whatever, this was the effect which was like mosaic. You can go to sketcher and then you can try it with this, and you have, after that you have multiple settings that you can play with: half tone, clutter. So there are multiple things that you can keep doing, and then if you are not happy with that, you can simply go to cancel. Again, I am going to do a pen art. What I am going to do is, guys, I am simply trying different artworks, alright, and I need to check which one is working. So I guess this one I am not pretty much happy with. Again, so I will simply check. I will keep checking, and that the same way you can try. And now I am going to finalize my artwork, because I think this setting will work with me. Definitely it will work. I have used it before, so I know what will work and what I will like. So you can keep playing with other settings that are there, and don't stop until you are happy. Keep making those settings and everything that makes it beautiful. And once you are happy, I don't know why it is taking so much of time. Yeah, this one I am pretty much sorted with. So what you can do, you can simply screenshot this image, or and then crop it like any way you need. This is, you can see right click is not working, so what you can do, you can simply screenshot and then you can open it in Photoshop or and Paint, so maybe, or whatever software that you have, right? And there are multiple online softwares by which you can edit your image. So I am going to simply copy and paste this in my Photoshop, because you need any image in a square format to upload upload that on OpenSea. So you can see this is not coming good, because and this is quite noticeable, because in order to upload on OpenSea, this you can get more better quality image from Google, and then you can edit that. And this is how you can simply make your size like 1080 by 1080, and then go back to your original artwork, copy and then paste it. So in Photoshop, because it has advanced AI, so it will not let my quality go down. Alright, so whatever quality is there, it will keep it same. And now I can simply go ahead and export it and JPEG and PNG, and then simply get it uploaded on my OpenSea. So this is what you can also do with your artworks that you have with you, right? So give it a try, and don't forget to leave your comment in my comment section. And if this video helps you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Even if you didn't like my video, just share or comment what can be improved. I will definitely work on that. And if you have any question related NFTs, feel free to ask that in comment section. I will love to answer those questions. And thank you so much for now. Bye bye.